Have you ever wondered what happens to the 1.2 billion sheep that leisurely graze on grasslands around the world? On the vast green grasslands under the warm yellow sun and the gentle cool breeze, the woolly sheep leisurely graze, seemingly unaware that they are not only the masters of creating fine wool, but also an important source of food for millions of people. Today, we will join you on a special journey following the woolly tourists from green pastures to modern factories, then across the ocean to discover how they have become an indispensable link in both the global fashion and food industries. As spring arrives on the endless pastures, sheep are brought home after months of careful care, special diets, and meticulous grooming. It's shearing season, the time to shed their thick winter coats. Before the first shearer touches the fleece, the flock is thoroughly health-checked and sorted. This not only ensures each animal is healthy and stress-free, but also allows farmers to separate the highest quality wool for premium processing. In Australia alone, the world's leading wool producer, more than 340 million kilograms of bast wool are harvested each year, contributing to a multi-billion-dollar textile market. The shearing process itself is a feat of skill and precision. Using specialized electric clippers with sharp blades and powerful motors, an experienced shearer can process around 25 sheep an hour. Each stroke must be smooth, pulling the fleece taut to create clean cuts without scratching the sheep's skin. Once the soft fleece is separated, it is spread out for the first round of sorting. The finest fleeces, usually from the back and sides, are baled into large bales, each weighing up to 200 kg. These bales are sealed to protect against moisture and dirt before being loaded onto specialized trucks or shipping containers to the textile mills. Once the bales arrive at the processing plant, the real transformation begins. Skilled workers meticulously sort the wool based on fineness, length, curl, color, and cleanliness. For example, high-grade merino wool can have fibers as fine as 17 microns in diameter, making it softer than cashmere. Lower quality fibers, often from the feet and belly, are reserved for products such as carpets or insulation. The selected wool is washed in large scrubbing tanks that use hot water and biodegradable detergents to remove natural oils, dirt, and organic matter from the plant. This scrubbing process can recover lanolin, a valuable byproduct used in cosmetics and ointments. After rinsing, the wool passes through a centrifuge to remove excess water without damaging its natural structure. Next comes the drying stage. In industrial drying chambers controlled at 50-70 GSC, moisture is gently removed over 4 to 6 hours, ensuring the cotton fibers are strong and tangle-free. The dry wool is then fed into an opener to loosen and loosen the fibers before moving on to the all-important carding stage. The carding process arranges and untangles the fibers using large rotating drums, creating a continuous soft fiber called a cotton yarn. For high-end textiles, the cotton is combed to remove the short fibers, creating a top layer of wool with a smooth, uniform texture, perfect for fine spinning. In modern spinning mills, thousands of fibers are twisted together into yarn. High-powered spinning machines can produce up to 200 kg of yarn per day, with precise tension control systems ensuring uniformity. The yarn then goes one of two ways: woven into fabric on automated looms that can produce several meters per minute, or knitted into garments such as sweaters, scarves, and socks. But sheep farming is about more than just wool. At state-of-the-art lamb processing facilities, the same dedication to quality extends to meat production. Skilled workers and automated systems work together to prepare premium cuts of meat for export. Each carcass is processed with precision, ensuring hygiene and uniformity. The cuts are vacuum sealed to preserve freshness and flavor, ready to be served in restaurants and kitchens around the world. Global lamb consumption exceeds 9 million tons per year, with countries such as China, the United States, and the Middle East being the largest importers. The journeys of these animals often cross oceans. Before leaving the farm, especially in major exporting countries such as Australia and New Zealand, sheep are health monitored, weighed, and assessed for physical condition. Only the healthiest animals are allowed to be transported. They are then loaded into specialized multi-story livestock transport vehicles designed to maximize space efficiency and safety, with non-slip floors, ventilation systems, and, in some cases, automatic watering. A single truck can carry more than 20 tons of live sheep, with bedding such as sawdust or straw to absorb waste and reduce stress. Upon arrival in their new country, the sheep are carefully unloaded using a gentle ramp system to minimize trauma. Some are transferred to local farms to continue wool production, while others are incorporated into the local food supply chain. In both cases, their role in supporting global industries continues, whether as a source of luxury merino wool or as a source of fine lamb for festive table service. So the next time you wrap yourself in a cozy sweater or tuck into a tender lamb, remember the incredible journey these gentle creatures have been on. If you enjoyed this insight into the world of sheep farming, be sure to hit the like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more stories about farming and food production. Your support helps us bring you closer to the amazing people, animals, and innovations that are shaping the way we live and eat today.